in the Smokies where the mountain breezes blow. There's a cabin on the hillside where the good times always grow. Sunnyview cabin had a table looking worn. Burgundy was fading, so a brand new game was born. Pull that old cloth off, cleaned it up just right, turned a tired old table into something shining brighter. We said, get your game on, rack 'em up and play all night long. From burgundy red to a camel tan glow, now the balls roll smooth and the good times flow. At Sunnyview cabin, everybody belongs, with beards, billiards, and games. Get your game on! Yes, come through the doorway, hear the break and cheer, making mountain memories they'll be talking about for years. Every shot's a challenge, every game a friendly race, and that camel-colored cloth brings a smile to every face. Built for family gatherings, vacation fun and laughs, another table brought to life with a little Beard's craftsmanship. We said, get your game on, rack 'em up and play all night long. From burgundy red to a camel tan glow, now the balls roll smooth and the good times flow. At Sunnyview cabin, everybody belongs, with beards, billiards, and games. Get your game on! Whether it's pool tables, arcades, or game room dreams, we're bringing folks together with more than just machines, creating lasting memories, one project at a time. From the valleys to the mountains, we're always on the climb. So come on and get your game on, make some memories, sing along. From the first break shot to the last ball down, we're helping bring the fun around.